While the US and China are battling for AI supremacy, two countries not known for their history of technological innovation are now the newest global AI powers. They're funneling hundreds of billions, if not trillions, of dollars into AI, cutting mega deals with NVIDIA, building AI campuses, and hosting global summits. Even Donald Trump just returned from both countries after brokering AI partnerships. Who are these new players? Saudi Arabia and the United Arab Emirates. What do they want? They want their own piece of AI domination. Let's dive into what that looks like. Saudi Arabia has launched a major plan called Project Transcendence, investing over $100 billion into AI as part of its Vision 2030 plan, which lays out the country's long-term economic and technological transformation. The goal is to reduce the country's reliance on oil and grow a strong AI sector. This includes building advanced data centers, supporting AI startups, and forming global partnerships. A major part of the plan involves working with major tech companies like Google. Together with Saudi Arabia's Public Investment Fund, Google is helping invest up to $10 billion in AI projects, including creating AI models in the Arabic language. Saudi Arabia has also launched a new AI company called Humane, backed by the country's investment fund. This company is working with NVIDIA and AMD to build a national AI system, including a supercomputer using thousands of NVIDIA's Blackwell graphics processing units. The UAE has introduced its national strategy for AI 2031, planning to add billions to its economy through AI by that year. The strategy focuses on 8 main areas, such as improving government services, supporting AI startups, and funding research and development. The UAE is building a strong support system for AI through places like the Mohammed bin Zayed University of AI and state-owned investment funds like MGX. The country intends to be a world leader in AI by using it in healthcare, education, and transportation. These countries aren't entirely new to AI, but they're rapidly boosting their AI spending. One example of their new era of AI is the launch of Humane, a new all-in-one Saudi AI company designed to be involved in every part of the AI development process. This includes building next-generation data centers and developing a powerful Arabic large language model that can handle text, speech, and images. Led by Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman, known as MBS, the project aims to boost local innovation, create original technology, and make Saudi Arabia a global AI hub. Humane will also help power industries like energy, healthcare, and finance to boost domestic sectors other than oil. Meanwhile, one of UAE's big plans is to build a 5-gigawatt AI research center in Abu Dhabi, working with US companies and led by Emirati tech firm G42. President Donald Trump recently returned from traveling to Saudi Arabia and the UAE, where he secured more than $2.2 trillion in investment promises focused mainly on AI and technology. Saudi Arabia agreed to invest $600 billion in the US. The deal will allow Humane to receive 18,000 of NVIDIA's most advanced computer chips, which will support a 500-megawatt data center. The chips were previously restricted by US export laws, but Trump lifted those restrictions to make AI deals like this a reality. The UAE pledged $1.4 trillion over the next 10 years for AI and technology projects. This includes building the largest AI data center outside the US in Abu Dhabi. The facility, led by G42, will cover 10 square miles and have 5 gigawatts of power, marking a massive shift in the geography of AI infrastructure superiority. Part of this AI campus will include the UAE wing of Project Stargate, the Trump administration's $500 billion plan to build more AI data centers. Just after Trump's visit to the region, the CEOs of Project Stargate's key companies, OpenAI's Sam Altman, NVIDIA's Jensen Huang, SoftBank's Masayoshi Son, and others, traveled to the UAE to secure this new deal. Also following Trump's visit, the UAE's Mohammed bin Zayed University of AI announced it was establishing an outpost in Silicon Valley to harness top talent to support the UAE's AI initiatives. The US company that benefits the most from this flurry of activity is NVIDIA, which will provide hundreds of thousands of its advanced Blackwell AI chips to Saudi Arabia and the UAE. The agreement to have Humane receive 18,000 GB300 Blackwell chips is just the first phase of their NVIDIA partnership. Saudi Arabia plans to build several more data centers to become a leading hub for AI development in the Middle East. NVIDIA's CEO, Jensen Huang, said AI is essential infrastructure and praised Saudi Arabia's forward-thinking plans. At the same time, the UAE company G42 will get 100,000 NVIDIA chips each year to support its own AI campus in Abu Dhabi. The UAE is using AI as a key part of its trillion-dollar technology partnership strategy with the US. The small country aims to become an innovation-focused center for global technology, and their deal with Trump to allow the import of 500,000 of NVIDIA's most advanced AI chips each year through 2027 is a strong start to reach their goal. This agreement highlights the UAE's rising role in the global AI supply chain. Of these chips, 100,000 will go each year to G42, the country's top AI firm. The rest will support US firms like Microsoft, Google, Salesforce, and Oracle in building data centers. Both Saudi Arabia and the UAE see AI as a critical resource, similar to how oil was centrally important in the 20th century. MBS calls AI the foundation of his country's future economy, as it looks to diversify beyond the oil economy that has made it rich. His goal is to train 20,000 AI specialists by 2030 through Humane and other efforts. In the UAE, AI also helps diversify the economy and plays a key role in national identity and government. The UAE's AI strategy focuses on education and training of local experts, as well as fundamental AI research. They are looking to expand beyond existing AI uses, like with Dubai's Advanced Infrastructure Initiative and Abu Dhabi's digital government, to improve public services and city planning. While most people focus on the competition in AI between the United States and China, Saudi Arabia and the UAE are quickly becoming major AI leaders that are impossible to ignore on the global stage. They are using their massive government resources, ambitious goals, and geopolitical influence to change the world's AI landscape. Both countries use their wealth from oil to build huge AI systems, hire top experts, and drive AI adoption across their societies. Despite big moves from both countries, some in the US are concerned that outsourcing AI development capacity abroad means missed opportunities to build AI infrastructure in the US that might create jobs and help communities in need of an economic boost. But others say that these countries have fewer regulations to get big projects off the ground, which is an appealing quality to those who want Saudi Arabia and the UAE to forge AI partnerships with the US rather than China. As Saudi Arabia and the UAE shift from oil empires to AI powerhouses, the global tech balance is changing fast. With billion-dollar investments and bold ambitions, could they outpace the usual superpowers? What do you think? Are they the future of AI? Like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives.